Beast.
Good. Ooh, I can tell. That's awesome. Go ahead. Good.
Okay.
Awesome. Oh my stars. I can tell.
Okay.
A little bit, right? Lean back a little bit. Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay. Can I ask y'all a question just real fast? If you are absolutely positively certain you're willing to bet your world's title on the fact that when you did that back handspring, your feet were together, raise your hand. Let's go one more time. I've got a great way to train you to get your feet together. It's up to you whether or not you get trained, AKA tortured, or if we move on because you get your feet together. Let me see.
Y'all want to squeeze something. So this is the next round, right? Our feet coming underneath or in front of us. We should be traveling backwards. Our rebound should not be as high. Go ahead. Scoop something.
Better, thank you. Oh, okay. Oh, a little more Trinidad. Okay. Do any of you think, like in your routine, hey, squeeze my feet together in my back handspring? How many of you have ever won you were at a competition, your name got called in second place, and you looked at the score sheet and it was like, we barely lost? Raise your hand if that's ever happened. It's kind of fitting, like, second place, first place. So I just want you all to have that awareness, right? Because as a coach, to watch people do back handsprings with their legs apart and then get the score sheet and go, you mean if I would have got two more legs together, we would have won? Oh, that's frustrating. That's very frustrating. That's how you condition after practice or after competing.